Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into why industrial epoxy coatings are more than just a surface solution, they're a smart, long-term investment for businesses. Whether you're managing a warehouse, factory, or commercial facility, understanding the benefits of epoxy can save you time, money, and maintenance headaches down the line. Let's explore durability and longevity. This is where industrial epoxy truly shines. Unlike conventional flooring, epoxy is engineered to withstand the most punishing environments. It offers extreme abrasion and impact resistance. Think about the constant traffic from forklifts, pallet jacks, and heavy machinery in a warehouse or manufacturing plant. Epoxy coatings are incredibly tough, resisting wear, scratches, and impact damage that would quickly break down other surfaces. This significantly extends your floor's lifespan, slashing future replacement and repair costs. Reduced wear and tear. Your investment means fewer disruptions from damaged flooring, keeping your operations smooth and efficient for years to come. Chemical and stain resistance. Spills are an everyday reality in many industrial settings. Whether it's oil, grease, acids, alkalis, or aggressive solvents, these substances can quickly degrade unprotected concrete. Chemical barrier. Epoxy creates a seamless, non-porous barrier that prevents these harsh chemicals from penetrating and damaging the substrate. This makes it an ideal solution for laboratories, auto repair shops, chemical processing plants, and any facility dealing with potential spills. Stain-proof surface. Beyond chemical attacks, epoxy resists staining from common industrial contaminants, ensuring your floor maintains a cleaner, more professional appearance. Enhanced safety features. Safety is paramount in any workplace, and your floor plays a crucial role. Industrial epoxy coatings can be customized to significantly reduce workplace hazards. Seamless, non-slip options. Unlike tiled floors with grout lines or standard concrete that can become slick when wet, epoxy can be applied seamlessly, eliminating trip hazards. We can also incorporate anti-slip aggregates directly into the coating, providing superior traction even in wet or oily conditions, which is vital for preventing slips, trips, and falls. Improved visibility with custom markings. Epoxy comes in a wide range of colors. This allows for clear demarcation of walkways, safety zones, forklift lanes, and even hazard warnings directly on the floor, vastly improving operational safety and traffic flow. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.